So what's up? We're here on this lovely Sunday. Got time to work on the cars. We're gonna take the valve cover off of the Civic, take it to my boy. He's gonna powder coat it yellow, put the fittings on it for the catch can, doing a catch can setup. That's pretty much it for the Civic. I need to put a couple pieces on it that I haven't put on it. For the EVO, got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna put the coil on plug kit. What else? A little bit of wiring. Put the catch can on. I'm gonna have to put the fittings on the valve cover for that. And hit up my boy Ryan. Start street tuning this thing, get it dialed in, and hit the streets, tear it up. Stay tuned. Going on. Alright, I pretty much got all the parts on that I needed to put on the EVO today as far as trying to get this thing done. I just need to do the hoses. At work I'll cut them, put the fittings on, get those put on. Here, I'll get you a closer look. Alright, so here we are, everything pretty much put on besides this hose. I've got everything marked up to where I need to cut it and put the fittings on both sides for the catch can. Mounted that up. It mounts on the intake manifold. Nice item. I put the Downstar little bolt on there. As far as the coil on plug kit, there you have it right there. Looks good. Quality, fitment's good. Coils are Denzos. Yeah, put the Downstar on there also. I'm gonna leave the cover off so it's gonna look just like that. And as far as the valve cover for the catch can, I put the fittings on there on both sides. Got the nice intake installed for the turbo, wrinkle black, looks nice. K&N filter as well. Went ahead, wired up the well, not wired up, but plug and play for the speed density kit down there. Just plug and play harness. Mounted up the GRIMSPEED little boost controller right here. I didn't really know where to mount it up yet, so I just put it there for now. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I went ahead, and you guys won't see it, but I put the EGR block off plate down there on the back of the, on the bottom of the intake manifold under the throttle body. But yeah, once I go ahead and put this hose for the catch can, I'll go ahead and do an oil change, fresh oil filter with some different oil. Go ahead and put the vacuum hoses for this wastegate, and see what it does, dude. Go ahead and start street tuning with my boy Ryan. He does really good work. If you guys know him, you know what's up. See if I can make this thing close to 500 horsepower or so. I'm gonna get some different injectors before I go ahead and tune, so I'm in the market for some of those. Go ahead and get some really big ones, that way I don't have to buy them again. Go ahead and buy them once. But yeah, this thing is gonna be very fun. EVO 8. Yes, sir. Stay building, man. I didn't have a chance to take this valve cover off today. I've been doing other things and trying to get all this done. I was taking my time with this. But yeah, everything turned out nice. So I'm happy with it. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.